This is the ACCLAIM LED Profile Light Engine from Strand. The Strand ACCLAIM LED Profile Light Engine, or PLE, is a full-color LED profile perfect for small to medium-sized theaters, houses of worship, and education environments. The PLE offers exceptional output with consistent color mixing to the ACCLAIM zoom spot for applications where longer throw or wider spread is needed. It has a maximum output of 8,500 lumens out of the engine, and it operates at 170 watts max power consumption and can run from 100 to 240 volts AC. The ACCLAIM PLE utilizes a red, green, blue, and lime LED engine that can produce a wide range of colors, and those can be controlled with a simple and easy-to-use DMX map. Here is an example of the fixture at a cool white and a warm white. The ACCLAIM PLE includes a 4-blade manual shutter system for superior control to shape the light. It can utilize existing Strand SPX lens tubes, which are designed to ensure that no light leak around the jailhouse. Lens tubes are available in a variety of fixed and zoom lens options. The optional angle adjustable GOBO holder takes industry standard size B metal GOBOs with no additional blending filter required for GOBO projection. When your trim height is challenged, the integrated short yoke adjustment on the fixture allows the ACCLAIM PLE to be positioned close to its suspension point to give you the most headroom. The ACCLAIM PLE has dynamic strobe control and a smooth, even field dimming. Here's an example of an 8-second fade out and an 8-second fade back in. With its robust construction and superb optics, ultra-quiet fan controls, and superior LED technology, the Strand ACCLAIM LED Profile Light Engine is the perfect fixture for smaller theatrical spaces. And that is a quick look at the ACCLAIM LED PLE from Strand. If you have any questions, we invite you to visit the Strand website for more details and any downloads you may need for the ACCLAIM LED Profile Light Engine.